Welcome back to St Ives 2021. Let's go and visit some artist studios together and some shops and bakeries.
So you've lived here 50 years?
Yes.
Wow, it's amazing.
Yes, it's lovely because there's no passing traffic. I got to always park in front. I've got a buggy now.
Yes,
because I'm not walking well.
Yes.
But it's delightful to live here, and
Yes.
I live here in London.
Oh.
You know, my daughters come and
People come and visit.
yes, do
Yeah.
everything. Yes,
Oh,
make
wonderful.
my bed and
What a sweet little cottage. Pilchard Press Cottage. Everything's always just beautifully displayed. I follow Poppy Tappy on Facebook. She does freeform on her vintage Singer sewing machine. Hopefully when it's open later, we can go in and look at some of her work. It'll be open later. Dear little shop. Oh, wonderful. Here's Poppy Taffy's freeform
Have a lovely day.
with her vintage sewing machine. Isn't that lovely? Oh, here's one of all the little dogs. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at these. Absolutely gorgeous. They're the originals, not prints. But you have to have a special needle on your machine to do this free-form sewing. Oh, and bags like we made with Aunt Bex. Tubs to pop things in. Oh, I love them. Tea cozies. Ooh. Oh, I love this old scale. I remember them being like this in shops actually. There's a little copy. This is Heather McAlpine's studio.
I'll take one of these if that's alright. Yeah. That's lovely. I really like this little house as well, and it's a different one.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, I see one next.
Oh, look at the paints.
Colours here are rich.
I love it.
Yeah, yeah.
Really beautiful. First I was looking it up with this one.
Yeah, that one's yeah.
Look at Freddie in the background. Oh, this one's in progress. Gorgeous.
That one was good. Really good.
It really is. Look at this. Oh,
Colours similar.
I love the floor.
Very nice and
Yeah.
It's a work of art. Gosh, I'm loving this.
Thank
It's
you
on
very
a
much.
wooden substrate though. Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Take
Nice
more of the
texture.
floor. I love it. Oh, I'm here with Freyja in the studio. I'm doing some lino printing today. Carving the blocks. I think you said they're wave studies, didn't you, Freyja?
Yeah. This is actually of Porthmere Beach, but then I kind of zoom in and it becomes more about the textures and the mark making instead of just the landscape.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful, thank you. And you can look out of your window while you're
Yeah, you can almost
Creating.
see the sea if you look up there.
almost feel
Yeah.
it, can't you? You can feel the sea.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's go inside Harkon Woodworks. Which one of these lovely crafts do you make?
Mine's all the, my husband does all the woodwork.
I'm loving the woodwork.
Everything has to be handmade, and I
Yes.
do all the textiles.
Oh,
Beautiful.
absolutely
husband-
wonderful.
We have to have a studio here. You have to.
Yes,
It's everybody.
everything's
All of us have to
homemade.
be handmade.
That's wonderful.
None of us are anything.
Wonderful. And you're doing you're knitting now?
I'm just going to do some. I'm going to do some flags. I'm making
Flags.
some bunting.
Oh.
Not bunting. I'm making some driftwood little holiday flags
Oh, wonderful.
to go on
Wonderful.
driftwood because I'm trying to use up all the driftwood I've got.
Yes.
Everywhere, all of us have got to be handmade and on site.
We've never discovered this before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
50 years.
You've been here 50 years. It's amazing. Well, this is a great discovery.
Look at the front door. It tells you all about where it is.
Ah, yes, I saw
50
it.
years
It had
it's
the
been. It's the
history.
very first craft market ever in the country.
Really?
Really? Oh, wow.
2, 3. So yes, if you go in all the studios, you'll see people working.
All this is made from reclaimed. Yeah.
Because there might actually be something.
Yeah. How many times have we been to St Ives and we've never seen?
this. Oh, that's cute.
We've never been to the artist's stoop. Sloop Stoop.
I like that.
I love this
I don't know
style.
what it is, but I really like it.
That's almost got a Japanese sort of
amazing,
style
doesn't
to
it?
it.
That's
And the big
cool as well.
octopus.
I like that.
Oh, fantasy. It's almost fantasy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful stained glass. Lovely.
Little dogs here.
Dogs.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're cute. Little fish earrings. Oh, this is the person's workshop that's actually making the stained glass. Wow. Ooh, it's wonderful to see people's workspaces. Wow. No early morning walk is complete without a walk down to the beach. There's someone swimming out there today. It's a little bit too cold for that because there's no sun even. It is cross between a croissant and a muffin. I mean, look at that. Let's nice and sure. I thought they were donuts to start with. Went inside. Ooh.
Oh, it's got jam inside it.
Oh, it's a bit like a donut. Yum.
That looks really good.
We'll break it up and have some, just a little piece each. If we like it, we can get more. Now this bakery looks very tempting. What to buy? Look at these gorgeous blousy meringues. Oh, donuts that are shaped like muffins. Pastries. Oh, scones. Oh, we need some of those to have with clotted cream. And beautiful artisan bread. Could I try one of these? I believe they're called cruffins, are they? Ooh, lovely. Oh, Freddie, you wait there, Freddie, dear. Just surprise me, a jam one. Lovely.
They've all got the same thing in jam
They've
and
all got the
custard.
same thing. A cruffin. Oh, we'll have to go home and try that. This sweet little cottage has a little notice that says it's always tea time. How lovely. Oh, a little chair to sit outside. Oh, it's like a front porch, isn't it? I love that. It's beautiful. Making the pasties.
Yeah.
Meat and potato.
Yeah, so this is a traditional steak. So you've got pieces of steak.
Traditional.
Yeah,
Thank
so you've
you. Sorry, potato, onion and sweet.
And pieces of steak.
Steak. Absolutely gorgeous. I think this calls for lunchtime for us.
Lovely. Yeah, nice. Well,
Wonderful.
You know what you're getting here because you're getting a fresh pasty.
Yes.
You know, whereas most of the other shops nowadays it's factory made,
True.
frozen and brought in. You know, whereas we're making them fresh day in day out.
Freshly made.
Yeah.
Right. Boys, let's come and get a freshly made pasty. I'm in Stephanie's studio. Some wonderful art here. I'm very taken by this piece of art here with broken pottery. You can see there's words here.
It was part of an exhibition.
Who imagined you?
And it was the impact
Who thought of you?
I wanted to do something positive.
Who lost you? Who found you? It's an amazing piece. Wonderful.
The stream,
Okay.
or the ploughed field next to where I live.
Wow. Yes.
And they're just all thoughts that, questions that we can ask ourselves really, and I think
Yes.
we've all got a story to tell, just like us.
You're exhausted, Freddie. Are you tired from your day, Cooper? Oh, look at him.